Let's continue. Practice problem number 7. A saline solution is prepared by dissolving salt in water. Identify one household use and one industrial use of this solution. So we're given salt dissolved in water. So required household and industrial use. So solution, household, wound cleaning. In industry, IV fluids and preservation. And final answer, solution in the household, wound cleaning, and then in the industry, IV fluid. IV means intravenous fluid. It can be injected in our veins or maybe in animals like chickens. And then practice problem number 8. Compare the solubility of sugar in hot tea versus cold tea. What factor affects the difference? So we're given sugar in hot tea versus cold tea. Required which dissolves faster and why. So solution, higher temperature increases kinetic energy and solubility. So the final answer, sugar dissolves faster in hot tea due to the higher temperature. Number 9, in making alloys such as brass or brass, copper and zinc, why is it considered a solid solution? Given brass is a combination of copper and zinc. Required, why considered a solution? So solution, atoms of metals are uniformly distributed. Final answer, it is a solid solution, and of course, it is called an alloy. An alloy is a combination of two or more metals, just like in brass or brass. Practice problem number 10. Identify whether milk is a true solution, colloid, or suspension, and explain why. So we're given milk composition. Required, is it solid, is it solution, colloid, or suspension? Solution, fat droplets dispersed in water. So the final answer, it is a colloid and it is emulsion. Practice problem number 11. Explain why carbon dioxide in soda eventually escapes when the bottle is left open. So we're given open soda. Required, why does carbon dioxide escape? So solution, pressure release decreases gas solubility. So the final answer, carbon dioxide escapes because solubility decreases when pressure drops. Number 12, give one environmental issue caused by excess fertilizers dissolving in water bodies. How is this related to solutions? So we're given fertilizers dissolved in water bodies. So required environmental issue and relation to solutions. So solution, the nitrates and phosphates dissolve, causing eutrophication. So the final answer, it's a water pollution or eutrophication due to dissolved fertilizers. Practice problem number 13. Why is rubbing alcohol, the isopropyl alcohol in water, considered a solution? Identify the solute and solvent. So we're given isopropyl alcohol plus water. Required, why a solution? Identify the solute or solvent. And then solution, alcohol molecules mix uniformly with water. So the final answer, it is a solution and a homogeneous solution. The solute is the isopropyl alcohol and the solvent is water. So that can be called isopropyl alcohol aqueous solution or simply rubbing alcohol. So practice problem number 14. Explain why solutions are always homogeneous while suspensions are heterogeneous. Provide an example of each. So given, compare the homogeneity. Required, why solutions are homogeneous, suspensions heterogeneous. So solutions have molecular level mixing. Suspension have visible particles. So the final answer, solution is a homogeneous example, salt water. Suspension is heterogeneous example, flour in water. And then practice problem number 15. Describe why alloys, like for example, stainless steel, are important in the industry and why they are classified as solutions. So we're given stainless steel, required, why important, why solution. So solution, atoms uniformly mix, improving strength and resistance. So the final answer, it is a solid solution and it is important for durability and industrial use. Practice problem number 16. In cooking, vinegar, acetic acid in water is often used. Why is it classified as a liquid solution? So we're given acetic acid in water and we are required, why a liquid solution? Our solution, acetic acid dissolves completely in water. Acetic acid is in a liquid form. So the final answer, it is a liquid solution, homogeneous. So it is a liquid-liquid solution or just simply liquid solution. Practice problem number 17. A student mixes flour and water, but finds that the flour settles at the bottom. Is this a solution? Why or why not? So given, flour mixed with water settles. And then required, is it a solution? Why or why not? So solution, particles remain undissolved and visible. So this is not a solution. It is called suspension. And then number 18, explain why ocean water can conduct electricity while pure water cannot. So we're given ocean water versus pure water. So required, why can one conduct electricity, the other not? So solution, dissolved salt, sodium, and chloride ions produce ions. Pure water lacks ions. So the final answer, ocean water conducts electricity. Pure water does not. That is because of the ion content of the ocean water. And then practice problem number 19. How does temperature affect the solubility of gases in liquids? For example, oxygen in water. Provide an environmental example. So we're given gas solubility in liquids, require the effect of temperature, and give an environmental example. So solution, higher temperature decreases gas solubility. So less oxygen in warm water. So the final answer, gas solubility decreases with heat. That leads to fish kills in warm lakes. And then practice problem number 20. Identify two household cleaning products that are solutions and describe their solute and solvent. So given two cleaning products. So we are required to identify the solute and solvent. So first, we have vinegar. The solute is acetic acid and the solvent is water. The second one is bleach, and our solute is sodium hypochlorite, and our solvent is water. So the final answer, vinegar, which is acetic acid plus water, bleach, which is sodium hypochlorite plus water. Of course, water there is the solvent, and the other one is the solute. So we will have the next part of this lesson, chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 4.